Attorneys say they will release the evidence that led to a massive award in an Illinois lawsuit.
3 family members will share $54 million. Each was left disabled after a train crash in Bloomingdale. Just more than a year ago it happened. ABC 7's Dick Johnson joins us now live with more on the legal decision and what's happening later today. Dick?
Judy and Jose, good morning to you. Ironically, as I arrived here at this location in Bloomingdale this morning, the railroad crossing, the very same one we're talking about this morning, is again broken. Although the gates are down, the lights are flashing, the bells are ringing. They weren't in the accident we're going to be talking about. Nonetheless, there's no train coming by, so I watched in amazement as dozens of cars went around the down gates. Then I called the Bloomingdale Police Department, and they came out here along with the DuPage County Sheriffs and have been directing traffic across the crossing ever since then. This settlement, believed to be the largest in Illinois history, will not repair the lives that were so severely injured in this accident, but it certainly will give the 3 people injured the best care available. 40-year-old Lilia Apaleo was driving her parents to an eye doctor's appointment a year ago. She drove onto the railroad tracks and an 8 million pound freight train slammed into their Ford Explorer. All 3 inside the car were severely injured with brain injuries and need 24-hour care. As it turns out, the warning lights and gates had not been working for 10 days at that railroad crossing before the crash, and her parents' attorney says he settled a similar case 3 months before on the same tracks where the lights and gates were also not working.
One has to wonder if there is not a systematic failure at the Illinois Central.
What they have is a culture of casualness. You listen to the dispatch tape, they sound pretty casual about the safety of the motoring public.
At the trial, an Illinois Central dispatcher testified that he told the train's crew that this intersection had been repaired, that the gates and lights were working, so the train's engineer, if they weren't working, would go at a very slow speed through this intersection, obviously. Assuming this crossing was working properly, he went through at normal speed, and that's apparently what caused the accident. Reporting live from Bloomingdale, Dick Johnson, ABC 7 News. Judy, back to you.
All right, Dick, thank you.